Okay, so I finished stitching here. So now I've got that side of the pocket. So I have sewn both sides. I've sewn this side of the pocket here, and then I've sewn this side here, so that on the front, when you open this, you can see the facing, which is right here. Okay, the next thing and then I pressed it. I just went and pressed this nice and flat, because this has to, well, this part folds back on itself and stuff. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this back. Like, here's the front of my pocket. I just flip this back, and now here's the triangle again, that little triangle, and I'm going to stitch over top of it again, and I'm going to come straight down, and when I get down to about 5/8 or so, I'm going to turn and go straight across. And I'm going to curve this because I think it makes for a little nicer pocket.
You can draw it if you want.
Yeah, drawing it is good. I'm doing a sample. I'm going to just do it. And it could be a little funny, but we don't care. Okay, on the real thing, I would probably chalk that out. Okay, so let's go. And you're going right over top of this stitching. Okay, I'm gonna go. And see, this will secure this. Even though we've gone over this twice, now that'll make it nice and secure. And then when you get to this, and I'd kind of move that out. And also keep in mind how far you are from that edge. We cut our pockets a little bit wider than we needed to. We did 8 inches, but our welts were only 7 1/4. So that's why we have extra here, but we don't, but I like it extra, and we're going to go back and pink them anyway, so I would just go ahead and see. And I've got this right along the edge of that throat of the guide here, so I'm just going to stay right along that edge. And again, if you want to have that all chalked out, it's easier to follow. And the reason square pockets are a little harder to keep lint and stuff out of the corner, so I'm just going to come down. When I get down to about here, I'm just going to go like this. There. Beautiful. Okay, so that's 1/2 inch from the bottom. So I wanted a little deeper pocket, and look at that lovely turn. That worked out good with no marking. I'd suggest you mark it. Okay, and then when I come here, see, I want to make sure I stop here where I need to. Okay, that's good. Then I'm gonna go one more, because this needs to be 1 inch. There. Okay, that's good. Oh, wait, I forgot to curve it. Okay, well, I'll show you 2 different types. How's that? This one is squared. Okay, so if you want a square pocket, that's what you do. You just keep going. Okay, and get this ready to go. I'm following that inch. Okay, now I gotta come over a little bit, because I didn't come over far enough. That's right. Okay. Okay, come over here. Wait, let's get this underneath there. Okay, this is gonna be kind of a funny little pocket. There. But this will be right on. Okay, done. All right, let's see, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This is a very different shaped pocket. Oh. Okay, and let's, oh. This has been having issues, I'm telling you. There we go. Okay. All right. Okay, so there's my pocket. That's the lovely shape of my pocket. So you can come down and round it, or you can do a square if you want and try to line that up better. But for what I'm doing here, I'm very happy with it. Okay, so I think we are done. The next thing I'm going to do is get rid of all my basting and press it good, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product.